and welcome to my channel. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're safe and well at the moment. It seems a bit trivial to jump to the subject of hair, but I thought I'd make a quick video to discuss the matter of home hair dye in lockdown. You'll see that my hair is very strange. So this came about because occasionally every few years I get itchy feet about my hair and I like to change the colour. I've been blonde several times in my life. I haven't been blonde in about 9 years. Just to explain what's happened here, a few weeks ago I decided, well, let's give it a go with some box dye. I bought Clairol Nice and Easy, shade SB2 Ultra Light Cool Summer Blonde. It's a permanent hair colour. The lower part of my hair that's dark brown, occasionally I would use like a chocolate brown hair colour on it just to give it a bit of a boost. I didn't realise quite how much of my hair was still natural. All of this here, that's actually where the natural hair was. It was just this that clearly had the hair colour on it before. Since then I've grown some dark roots at the bottom. It's not ideal at all. So what I have decided is to use a different colour that actually has some bleach in it. And I'm a little bit of a risk taker with my hair anyway, so I thought, well, why not give it a go myself? So what I have bought is Garnier Nutrisse Ultra Blonde, shade D+++ Bleach Maximum Lightener. So this is a little bit more serious. Bleach Maximum Lightener, ammonia free for a pleasant smell, lightens up to 8 tones, anti-yellow effect, ultra shiny, natural looking result, long lasting blonde. I am quite intimidated by the idea of how light it seems to go. I'm going to give it a try. I'm not going to leave it on too long because I do not want to have white hair. Given the different shades that I have in my hair, I'm going to have to try and make sure to match them up. These natural roots done next, and then the pre-lightened bits here I've got blonde underneath. I just want it basically to be all uniform. This kit is made up okay, so this kit is made up of developer cream, bleaching powder, it's a bit serious, lightening cream, and then a purple conditioner. Oh god. So if it makes my hair go yellow, apparently it's a good idea to use a purple shampoo to remove those yellow tones. So I've got Illuminex Provoke Touch of Silver Strengthening Purple Shampoo. Completely removes brassy tones in just one wash. So I'm going to go and change out this and get that hair colour on my head, and then we'll see what happens. So I will see you shortly. And I'm back. It's 24 hours later and here is what I've got. It's still very varied in the colour. This is very light indeed. It seems that it didn't take entirely on the darker areas. The dark roots went very light. The area that was already lightened, that's gone really light too. And at the sides as well. There is still a look of a bit of a bedraggled lion about my hair, but that's okay. lovely. For people who haven't coloured their hair before, it does lighten it a lot. For lightening dark coloured hair, it's going to need some more work. I'm actually quite impressed with the state of my hair after that. I mean, yes, it is a bit dry, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be a day later. So I'm going to try the silver shampoo. Hopefully that will get rid of the orangey, strawberry blondish tones. Let me turn around for you. Yeah, it does look a bit crazy at the moment, but it's definitely getting there. And I suppose I could class myself as a blonde person now. Light blonde, strawberry blonde / ginger. To be honest, I quite like this. That's how I would often have it in the past anyway. I will come back to you tomorrow. Hopefully this will get rid of yellowishness, if that's a word. And I will see you then. Okay, so here I am, and it's another day later. I've applied the purple shampoo. I think it's actually done a pretty good job. It's toned down the yellow and orange, as I hoped it would. Obviously, it's still uneven. It's not going to get rid of the differences in colour in my hair. The sides are very light, but they're not as yellow as they were before. So tonight, I'll put some bendy rollers in my hair for some vintage curls, and I will see you in the morning. So here I am, and it's actually a week after I filmed the last clip. So since then I've washed my hair a few times, including 2 goes with the purple shampoo, and here is what we're dealing with. The top is very light. My roots are already coming through, which is not ideal, and I'll obviously have to touch that up in due course. We've got that same fade from roots to the ends, but actually I find it quite interesting. It's rather unique that it's kind of blending in like that with the curls. So I actually quite like it. It's a change. It was what I was looking for, not in terms of everything being even, but I can give the blonde another go in a few weeks once my hair is recovered a little bit. Perhaps get this evened out a little bit with the rest of the hair. And once I've done that, then maybe it will look a bit more normal. But in the meantime, I would say if you want to give hair lightener a go, then give it a go. After all, right now there are much more important things in life than hair. So please stay safe, happy and healthy, and I will see you next time.